Alex. Today I'm going to be going over some of my top favorite things that you can get for a martial artist. Maybe you're buying them something for Christmas, or maybe you are someone yourself who trains and you want to treat yourself to something pretty cool. So today I'm going to go over 5 different things. Everything in this video is from All American Martial Arts Supply. They are the U.S. supplier for Adidas Taekwondo. So if you're interested in anything in this video, or if you want to check out some more stuff they have on their website, I'm going to link it in the description box down below. But let's go ahead and get the video started. First up on the list is something a little bit more essential, but if you're especially like a competitor in sparring or in Poomsae, you will definitely appreciate a new uniform and a belt. So first off, I'm going to show you guys the uniform I have. This one's pretty nice. This is the Adidas Eco Fighter uniform. It also comes in a white collar and then of course in smaller sizes as well if you are a kid or if you aren't quite yet a black belt. But this one's really nice because it's lightweight but yet very, very durable. You've got something kind of printed on the back as well, so really nice uniform, definitely a pretty good buy. And then of course, if you're a black belt, getting a nice new custom Adidas black belt, definitely a pretty cool item. So this is my newest belt. It's got my name in English and then Korean below it, and then I have my school name on the other side. So uniform and belt, definitely a good item. Next up on the list is Taekwondo shoes. These are their newer Adidas model. They come in a few different colors. These are personally my favorite, the black with the white stripes. But for me, these are just super lightweight, so therefore they're pretty comfortable for me. Whether you are teaching or you're training or you're doing both, these are definitely a nice pair of comfortable shoes. All right, next up is duffel bags. So I'm gonna quickly just kind of show you guys a few of these here. They have these nice Adidas bags here. They come in several different colors. That one's black with pink. This one has green on it. And then also they can embroider your name on the side, which I think is a pretty nice touch. They have this red, white, and blue one, which also looks really nice. And then if you need something a little bit bigger than that, they also have their duffel bags, which obviously are quite a bit bigger. It has Taekwondo and Korean up here on the top. Same thing, they can kind of put your name on the side of it. So that's pretty nice little touch having your name on it, because you guys know you need to make sure you kind of keep up with your stuff. But whether you are training or you go to a tournament, you know how important it is to have a nice bag to carry around with you. Put all your gear in it, your uniform, all your stuff that you need. Definitely plenty of options as well. Next up, which is probably personally my favorite thing on this list, which is going to be jackets. So I'm going to go over a few different things that they have. One of the newest things they have is this parka jacket. So this thing is super comfortable. It's literally like wearing a blanket. So it's really thick, obviously pretty long, so it's going to keep you nice and warm. It's got a hood as well, so definitely pretty comfortable. Like I said, it's literally just like wearing a blanket. Super comfy. Next up, one of their other newer things they have is this hydro suit. So it kind of functions kind of like a sauna suit type thing, but also is like a track suit. So it comes with pants and a jacket. So here's like the pants. And what I really like about this, it also comes in a ladies cut and in a men's cut. So this is the women's one, so it's a little bit more fitted than some of the other stuff, which I like. So it's really nice. Here's the jacket. It's got a hood on here, so it's really comfortable. Just a different option to have. Like I said, it kind of functions as a like kind of sauna suit type thing, but also kind of like as a track suit as well. So that's an option for you right there. And then probably one of the most popular ones, and one of my favorite ones, is these track jackets here. So these Adidas track jackets, they come in a lot of different colors. You can get them customized. This one, I've got my name on the front. I've got logo of a school on the back. This one as well, I've got my YouTube logo on it. On the back, comes with black and yellow. Like I said, there's a ton of different colors. I just got this one in white, logo on the back. So plenty of different options for jackets. Like I said, this is probably my personal favorite thing, is these jackets, whether you're getting one of these and kind of customizing it, whether you get the hydro suit or something a little bit more like a winter coat. There's plenty of different options for jackets. Last and final category is going to be some training items, and these are good options, a little bit more cheaper options than getting like a freestanding bag. And if you have someone that can kind of hold targets for you, there's a few different ones I have here. First off, the classic, just regular kick paddles. These are obviously a great option here. Pretty versatile, you can do pretty much any kind of kicks on these. Probably one of my favorite ones to use. And then next up, this one's really cool. I'm pretty excited for this one. This is the rectangular kicking target. It has handles right here on the back, so I'm sure you guys have seen people use these. You hold it like this. This is really good because it's obviously pretty small. You can do different types of kicks on it as well, but it also functions kind of like you can take a little bit more like power on these. So definitely a pretty good option as well. Nice and small, nothing super big. But then if you want something a little bit bigger, a little bit more for power shots, especially like side kicks, cut kicks, back kicks, all that stuff, or like power roundhouse kicks, you have this option, which is the Adidas Body Shield. So definitely pretty big, pretty durable. It has plenty of handles right here on the back. So that's just another option. Really just depends kind of what you're looking for in your training, but you have plenty of different things here, whether it's the big shield for like power shots, stuff like that. You want something a little bit more portable, but still want something kind of durable, similar to that. This is a good option. And then of course, you can't go wrong with just regular kicking paddles as well. All right, guys, I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Like I said at the beginning, if you're interested in anything that I showed in this video, or if you want to check out some more stuff they have, I'm going to link the All-American Martial Arts Supply website in the description box down below. And as far as my favorite item, if I had to choose one thing off the list, I would have to choose these track jackets. These are not super expensive, a good item, and you can customize it. And you can wear it for training, you can wear it out, you can wear it for tournaments. Like I said, if I had to choose just one thing, I like pretty much everything on this list, obviously. But if I had to choose one thing, this would definitely be my #1 pick. But like I said, hope y'all enjoyed the video. Thank you so much for watching. Let me know in the comments down below what your favorite item is if you had to only pick one of these on the list. Definitely want to hear your thoughts. Don't forget to subscribe, like us on Facebook, follow me on Instagram. Thank you all so much for watching the video. I'll see you guys later.